Oh, you're going to go through the red light, are you? Oh, well done. Right through the fucking red in the truck.
Hey, fuck you! Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
Come on. Fucking green light, dickhead. Wake up. Fuck me.
Oh my... Doctor! He's awake!
Good on ya. Make your own fucking road, and you. All of them fucking making their own fucking road. Look at them. Dickheads, because they're too impatient. They can't fucking wait in traffic like everybody else. They probably want me to go on the freeway, but who says that no one else wants to? Maybe it's about time they made 2 lanes on this fucking road. Realistically, it should be anyway. Both ways. Ah, the kids in the wrong fucking line. Of course. What are you doing parked on the wrong side of the road, mate?
Understanding the left and right involves complex brain processes.
I think she thinks she's doing bloody airplane duty or something. She must have worked in an aircraft thing before. All the cars are having to go around the guy because he stands in the middle of the road. At least the female cop's got the sense to get out of the way of the traffic. This male copper here has got no idea about traffic control. Stand in the middle of the bloody road. Going straight ahead. What do you mean? Oh, fucking hell. Bloody hell. Why can't I go straight ahead? Fucking idiots. Just then I tried to go straight ahead. I come out of Sushi Train, I wanted to go straight ahead. And she said, no, can't go straight ahead. Why the fuck not? I had to turn left, stupid bitch.
You can get around me like that.
Oh, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, wonderful.
You fucking donkey!
At the roundabout onto Foxwell Road. Continue on Foxwell Road for 3 kilometers.
Still fucking school zone, dickhead. Fucking hell. Still an active school zone. Jeez, you're good, mate. You're good. Oi! Fuck you, big fella. Fucking nearly didn't stop, did ya? Really? Fuck me. Oh, for fuck's sake, what are you hitting your brakes for? For fuck's sake, what are you hitting your brakes for? It's fucking 70k zone. And we're doing fucking 60. Fuck me. If you don't know how to drive at night, don't fucking drive. Fuck me. 083 GE5. Fuck me. It's not really... Come on. Fucking move it! Fucking idiot coming out of there like that. Fucking slow as a fucking wet week. Another illegal U-turn. Lots of people do illegal U-turns at these lights. Are they ever going to fucking understand the road rules? Oh, come on, mate. What are you doing? Fucking work it out beforehand, please. Oh, you fucking idiot. Why did I know you were going to do that? And what was the fucking purpose of it? You've only got to go back to the fucking right-hand lane, you fucking idiot. Fucking hell. Who's blowing a fucking horn then? Who doesn't know how to fucking drive? McDonald's. We go to Monterey Keys. What are you sitting at the fucking lights for, mate? It's fucking green. He's still sitting there. Still fucking sitting there. Oh, get the cups. Oh, man. Hasn't a lot of much oil. That's fucked. Your engine's fucked in your Captiva, mate. Well, not much smoke. And that ain't a diesel. I don't think. Really? Well done. Come on. Fuck's sake, what are you going so fucking slow for? Seriously? Fucking hell. You don't give way to him, he gives way to you. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, this one doesn't know how to fucking drive at all. Or it's just been a fucking pain in the ass. Come on, dickhead. Oh, for fuck's sake! Come on, mate, drive the car. Drive the car. Come on. For fuck's sake. Seriously, how many fucking lanes do you want, mate? 6 fucking lanes there? Fuck this, Jesus. Another one who doesn't know how to fucking drive. Fuck, there's that many of them on the road. Is anyone actually passing a licence test? Or are they just bribing the bloody people to give them a licence? Seriously. The amount of people on the road who just can't drive.
You're a legend in your own mind.
You wouldn't fucking believe it if you see it with your own eyes. Did you see that?
Do you see me, Tokara? Do you see me, man?
Fuck are you doing? See if I didn't know. Fucking trying to do an illegal U-turn in a truck. Yep, there he goes. Come on, come on, come on! Come on! Go! For fuck's sake. Fucking hell. Wakey, wakey.